To pass the CCNA exam, you need to know how to configure and troubleshoot a network. A network is simply a road for data to travel on. Except instead of concrete to build the road, we need network equipment like routers and switches. These are the devices that are used to build the networks that we all use, including the internet. The devices communicating on a network are endpoints, like computers and phones. For endpoints to communicate, they must be connected to a network. Devices like switches and wireless access points are used at the edge of a network to connect endpoints to a LAN. Switches provide network ports that wired endpoint devices can use to connect to the network. Switches and access points have the ability to forward data within a local LAN between endpoint devices, but not to other LANs. This is where routers come into play. Routers are used for routing endpoint traffic to other networks. The entire internet network is actually made up of thousands of routers. Since the internet network is so large, it is considered to be a WAN. WANs are long-distance networks that are used to interconnect LANs. So now you've got to see some of the basic network devices that are used to build a network. Let's use a Facebook post from a phone as an example of sending data on a network. Once the endpoint makes a post in the Facebook application, data needs to be sent to the Facebook network to update their servers with your post for the rest of the world to see. So as you can see, without networks, it wouldn't be possible for our endpoint devices to communicate. By the end of this course, you will learn how to configure and deploy a network with devices just like we've seen here. But first you need to learn the networking fundamentals to understand each networking layer. In the next lecture, we'll learn about the structure of network data and how it is created on endpoint systems.